Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahmudul Hassan Himel. On the behalf of my team, I would like to describe our project. So, if we see the project, so we divide this project into three parts. One is city, second is river, and third is the street. So, if we press the R button on the keyboard, the car will stop moving. So here can see we have a character, a female character. If we press B button from the keyboard, the character will disappear, and if we press the B button again, the character will come again. So here we use to move this character is the special key, right, left, up, down arrow key button. So if we press right and left, the character will move left to right, and if we up and down, but if we use up and down button, the character will come near across the road and go back. So here is the road animation, and we press the yellow button is also doing as red providing, and if we press green button, the car will start moving. So this is our road animation. And if let's talk about the ship animation. If the girl is close to the ship and we press S button from the keyboard, the girl will enter the ship and the ship will start moving. And this is our river animation. And if we see the city, there are several buildings over here. There are some trees and a sun and 3 cloud. So we added here day and night mode, and now still it's showing the day mode. If I press N from the keyboard, this is the night view, it's showing the night view. And again, if I press the day, means D button from the keyboard, it will again showing the day. So this is our project, and now we would like to describe the coding part. This is our coding part. If we see, there are some variable we initial here for our sun, our signal, and bus, ship, and character. For sun, this is a static variable, and other some real integer and float variable for our animation. We use circular function, we use half circle function, we use girl function where we draw our character. And there is sky and sky 1. We use sky for day mode, and we use sky 1 for night mode, because there are two different sky shown on the day and night. We have a divider between city and the river, and so this is our river function where we draw the river. So this is our car function. It is too large, I don't want to describe this because time is so limited. So this is our footpath. There are two footpaths. There's a footpath and footpath 1. There is the zigzag, the zebra crossing, and the road lines function is here, and the sheep function. So we have 3 trees on the scene. So this tree 1, tree 2, and tree 3 are these functions, and the sun. Here first the first animation is started from here. From the spin, we spinned our sun by 360 degree. So by initial 0.5 all the time, increase by decreasing 0.5. And this is our sun spinning, and there is the bus moment minus 200. If the bus goes to minus 200, and we add plus 500, and the car will start moving from the beginning. And at that same thing for sheep, character, and car also. So this is for our go bus function. This is our signal where we drawn red, green, and blue signal box. And this is our bus drawing, and this is our moon. So we have 3 different cloud 1, cloud 2, and cloud 3. And there are 11 building on our scene, so I want to skip this part. And here is our display function. So we created 2 display function. One is for night mode, one is for day mode, because on the night we don't have to show the clouds, sun, and the sky. So that's why we divided into 2 part, day mode and night mode. So here we shown and hidden some functions over here. And the first for the keyboard control, if we press the S button, the character will enter into the ship, and the ship will start moving, and that's are given here. and for B button for hiding and showing the character. This is doing here. Red key for stopping car. Why red and while mainly same, and green for starting the movement of car again. So N for night mode, showing D for day mode, and the for the character movement we used right, left, up down special key. So here's the properties given there, how we increase to when we press the button the value increase and decrease by 2. So here is given. So this is our whole code, because we are doing animation, that's why we don't have many any complicated. So this is our full code.